What's up, guys? So today we're going to do a how-to on how to remove a locking lug nut or a locked or a keyed lug nut if you don't have the key. So say you bought a used car and it's got locking lug nuts that are the weird shape or whatever on them. This is how you're going to do it. So first thing first, you got to go to like O'Reilly's or AutoZone or Napa or whatever, and you're going to find the correct diameter. And they come in all sorts of different sizes. So here's a 3/4 and here's a 1-inch diameter one. Literally, you're going to use these with an impact. I am using just a battery-powered Milwaukee impact. And as you can see, I already went and pulled one off. I'm using my 3/4 diameter one. So this is just an example of what some locking lug nuts look like. They do have other ones out there that are even harder to get off. These are pretty easy. But these are a splined lug nut. Now, I don't have the spline, and I don't have time to run the hour to the store and back because someone's coming to buy this car, so I'm pulling off the wheels. So I'm using that 3/4, and basically I'm sliding it on over this, and I'm cocking it at kind of an angle so that it locks sooner and doesn't seat so deep, because these are really, really long lug nuts, which is kind of odd. So again, pretty easy, guys. I'm going to stick it on, and I'm going to put it at an angle. See how it's not straight? It's at an angle. So I have the drill in reverse, okay? That's the reverse side. And in reverse, we're going to put it at an angle like this. Once it gets to a certain angle, it's going to want to move your drill all about like that. But it's locked on, so then it's pulled off. So now what you have to do is you have to grind both sides. So we're going to go ahead and grind this side of this one off so that we have a flat surface. Now we're going to flip the drill around, and we're going to do a flat surface on the other side as well. So that's happened a few times, guys. Gotta make sure it doesn't spin. As you can see, it keeps spinning, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab it with both hands. You guys probably won't be able to see. So I'm gonna go ahead and grind this other side flat, and then video some more. Alright, so now you can see I have it ground flat on two sides. So it's ground there and there. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it on in the vise, and we'll take it off. So you see I have this one already in the vise. We'll pop it out. And then we'll stick this one in the vise. So you're still going to want to have it tightened down pretty good. I mean, mine's tight enough it can hold. I'm going to turn it into the forward position, and then we'll just hit it. We'll try that again. Easy as pie. You'll just hit it, come right off. So it's literally that easy, guys. You're literally just using a couple dollar little tool, an impact, and our vise. My vise isn't even secured to the table, as you just saw. It moves around and everything. So it'll be a lot easier if you secure yours to the table. But literally, that's all it takes. You just need the grinding with the cutoff wheel or the grinding wheel to grind a flat spot, or two preferably, so that it can lock on. See, like I got these all over the floor. I've been doing them. But that's all you got to do. It literally just eats its way into the side like that to get grip in reverse, so that when it locks, it can twist it off the wheel. So we're gonna go finish up the rest of these, and comment below if you have any questions or comments on a better way to do this. This is how I found to do it, and it works fairly easy. It's just kind of time consuming, but it's pretty cheap. So just if you got the time and you got the tools, good thing to do. So like, share, subscribe, and comment below.